Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Alex. So today I'm here to demonstrate to you the lab for the electro-pneumatic circuit control. And this is the list of the components and power supply. That will be the relay unit, the push button unit, and we have various of control valve and also sensors. We have cylinder, actuator cylinder. One is the single acting with one input, and there will be the double acting with two input, and this is the tube. So basically, this is the essential components that we need for this lab. So this is the station for electro-pneumatic circuit setup, and as you can see, the power supply and also the push button unit is ready. This is the filter and also the pressure gauge, and by the time we turn on, the pressure, high pressure air will be pumping in from the air tank or the compressor, and they will be entering into this we call the branch, air branch, and we have 8 unit, so which means that we have 8 air source over here. Right now I am going to demonstrate how to set up for the single acting cylinder. This is your single acting cylinder. As you can see, there's only one input. Single acting cylinder will pair with 3-2 valve, and the name is already labeled over there, and there will be 2 ports over here. Now we are going to connect the power supply to our push button unit. Negative and the positive. You can use this side as well, no issue, either one of it. So now I'm connected, which means all this button it is negative and all this button it is positive. And we have a few push buttons here. So now I will be connecting the first push button. And connect to the power. And then I will enter into the solenoid. And then the solenoid will enter into the ground. So you can see that that will be like the circuit complete, one line over here. And this setup, it is to set up the circuit control before we connect it to your cylinder. You can do the testing by turn on the power first. And there will be a LED light over there. If I push the button, the LED light will light up. If you're having this result, which means your setting for the circuit control it is correct. So now for safety, we turn off. Now we are going to connect your valve to the cylinder. But of course, your valve needs the air source that's coming from here. So now this is the tube. I'm going to take one of it. And the input. So now I'm pumping the air into the control valve. And the control valve to the cylinder. By having this, we are having the circuit to control our actuator, the cylinder here. So now I'm going to turn on the electric. And I'm going to turn on the air valve. And now when we push the button, the control valve will be activated, and then the cylinder will be extended. So this one is for the single acting. If you want to try the double acting, as you can see, double acting, you have 2 port or input. And we have to change the control valve because this is only for the single acting. And this is a control valve we call 5-2. And you can see the port it is slightly more than this. And now we just turn off everything for safety. And now I'm going to switch the things. Basically, just transfer what it is setting here to another valve. And now, when the time you want to plug out, there will be a push button, the gasket here. Push it, then you can plug out the tube. So now I will move away the single acting first. And likewise, your air source go into the control valve. And the 2 port, one will be for the back and also for the front respectively. This is a setting for the double acting cylinder together with the 5-2 valve. So now we are going to turn it on, as well as the air. Now we push the button. So basically you will be seeing this. And of course, the push button have some other function. For example, I'm going to use the green color. So they will hold the position, then they will go back. So depend on what application that you would like to use. That will be the option you can have. Okay, this is the compressor or air tank. And you can see this is power on, off. This is off, and this will be turning on. And this is the valve. You can turn it off, and this is to turn it on. So now this is a sample of your final outcome of this lab. You are going to be limited only using 2 cylinders. But unlimited valve or even sensor or push button or relay, and you need to construct something that it is applicable in the industrial. And this is a sample of a tin crusher. And now I'm turning it on. I turn off the air valve. So now, manually doing the tin crusher. So you crush the tin and extract the tin. So this is a manual. At the same time, you also can set it like a fully auto. So crushing, extract, crushing, extract. So basically, you can build other system, but again, you are only limited using 2 cylinders. So this will be the final outcome of your lab.